I'm replicating this. You chose the same character as me.
How do you use flashlight? Oh, it's F. Okay.
Yeah, F,
So
I think.
it's like Slenderman, 10 pages.
It's literally Slenderman.
Except school
Except
edition.
it's less realistic. Yeah. It's
So-
Baldi's Basics.
Oh, I got a Medi Betty.
Oh my god. Is it bugging for you when you jump? Like a little bit?
Mm,
Like when you sprint and then jump? Nice, nice. What the hell?
I think we're just really bad sprinters.
It's weird, hold on. Let's see if it has anything to do with the
I think that's a game.
medium.
Where you at?
Hold up.
Are you in the game?
Save and apply, yes. Alright, there you go. Sprinting is kind of weird, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay,
What did the note look like?
it's in
Never
the
mind,
book.
that's a
It's in
really
the
stupid question.
blue notebook.
It's in the blue notebook?
Okay, well. Whoa. Scary.
Where are we running from? Oh, the lunch lady, right?
Exactly. So, I don't think we can.
Wait.
That's
You heard
upstairs-
that?
That's upstairs, I think.
You think she could jump off?
No. Shield. Wait, stop. That's upstairs.
She's up there. Oh. How'd you open that?
I hear stuff.
Wait.
Out of my way, bro. I'm hiding.
Wait, how do you close the door?
It's E.
E?
But she.
Oh, she's there.
Go up here.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go somewhere.
That ain't no lunch lady, bro.
Yes, it is, bro.
Bro, what is that goofy noise?
Talking about. So, like, how do you lift her? Oh shit, I'm dead. I think I'm dead.
I closed every door.
I think I'm dead.
Please do not come in here.
I need the
I
cafeteria
clo-
key. Please don't go over here.
I think she's getting me.
I think she's getting me, bro.
No, she's in my room, bro.
Actually,
She's literally in my room.
where's your room at?
She just walked in the room and did not see me and then walked back out.
Oh, I might be dead.
No, she doesn't.
I'm hiding.
I think she could probably hear when you open doors. She coming back in here? Please don't come back in here.
I'm hiding.
Please do not.
I'm hiding.
Is she near you?
Oh, she closed the door that I was in? Was it the room?
Exactly.
Yeah.
She's never leave. Oh my god. She's coming back in. She's coming back in, I think.
She's not a thinker?
She's not exactly the thinker.
Like, where is she? Oh, she's
Oh my
upstairs.
god.
She's
Wait.
upstairs.
No! What the fuck?
You good?
Man. I'm kind of stuck here, basically.
I am hiding. I'm hiding.
Wait, I can kind of see through the wall. Ooh, she's about to come into the room.
Which one? Because I'm in one right now.
I'm in a closet.
You can actually hide in those?
Well, not in a closet, but I'm in like a small like back room.
That's funny.
No. She just walked out though, so I think I can probably make a run for it. Oh crap!
You shouldn't, you could. Oh, I found a key.
Are you walking right now?
Oh, I found cafeteria. I'm not. I'm crouching. I found a cafeteria key. I know where that is.
Dude, she just won't leave me alone.
Hold on. Where's she at right now? So I have the cafeteria.
She's like near me, bro. She won't leave me alone.
Where is near you? Cause I need. Okay, never mind. She's first floor. I need to go
Bro?
upstairs to the second floor for the cafeteria key. I think she heard that, man.
Oh crap! Oh.
I need to go.
Man, I think she's. I think she may be onto me.
Where's she right now?
I don't know.
She's everywhere.
On second floor. She might go to the room.
She's like,
I found a notebook. I think. I got a notebook. Final answer page.
voice.
Bro, why does the lunch lady care we get attention?
I mean, I need to watch that, man.
It's a mute.
True. I just. need to
Bro,
go now.
you need a Molotov?
Yeah. Why not? I'm in
Wait,
this room.
is that you right there? I can see your light.
I'm in this room, yeah. I think it's me. Why is
You see me,
it-
right?
I don't know what the- Take it.
Do you know what she's at?
I think first. But,
Oh, yeah, she's first. I see her. What do you do?
oh, no, right.
Uh-oh. She sees me.
Wait, wait. Which, I should go upstairs. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
Alright, I need to go upstairs so I can get security.
Oh.
Okay.
Please don't here. Please do not come in here.
Where's she at right now?
Probably on me.
I'm dead.
She killed you?
Nope, but I might be dead.
No! You got smashed by the lunch lady?
Res me, bro, res me.
I can ready? Oh!
You need to find
Alright.
a Medi-Medi. Which I have one. Holy, I can't see shite.
Oh, I got one too. Let's go.
Okay, I'm in the... so we're going to go downstairs. First room's the right.
Oh, you see me? I don't know. You can? Oh, I see you. Where's she at? Do you see her right now? Oh, where you at? Okay. I'm like, oh, see you. Wait. Oh, that's right, okay, right. Look. There we go.
Is she done?
I saw her go down there.
I'm out.
Probably the best option. Did you use the cafeteria key?
I have not used it though.
I don't know where the cafeteria is. It may be on the.
It is over here.
I don't know. Why is it on the second floor of all
Or
floors?
is it over? I think I'm on the opposite side.
Oh crap! She's coming! She's coming! She's coming! She's coming!
Hide, bro, hide. Don't be caught lacking.
What if I just do the door strat like in Paranoia Place?
She's mad big, bro. She's the biggest bird. She's the biggest bird.
Please do not come in this room. I would greatly appreciate it. Gracias. I see her on the first floor.
She going up here? Okay, she's going up here now. Okay, I'm gonna open up this.
Oh.
Actually, I'm gonna hide.
I'm hiding.
Please, I don't.
Alright, I'm clipping through the wall.
I'm gonna hide.
I don't see nothing.
If she stays down, then tell me, so I can go open this thing. Yeah, I
Oh,
see
she's
you.
on the first floor. First
I
floor.
see
First
you.
floor.
I see you. Okay, you see me?
I
I know where you're at.
see her light. I see her light. Yeah, she's on the first floor.
It's over here. Cafeteria should be over here.
Alright. Not bad for $4 so far. I just wish that the jump sprinting was better.
Alright, there you go.
Bro, where did you go?
I opened it over here. Hurry, we got a new area to explore.
Oh, she's right there.
Can she get up here?
There's a staircase right here. No, go. Go. Bro.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Bro. No, don't close the door.
That's not
I think she can. Oh. That's because I think she could hear when we open doors, and I thought she knew.
That's fucking scary.
Oh, she coming back.
Oh, she ain't. I don't see her. Yeah, she's downstairs, I'm pretty sure.
Alright, open it. Open the door. Oh my god.
Okay.
Watch her walk through those doors. Oh wait, there's something right. Oh, it's just a tree. I don't think she hears it when we just walk normally, bro.
I'm not trying to risk it, bro. Cause we sprint so slow. You know what I mean?
Oh crap.
I'm gonna take a risk and go over here.
You risking it?
Please tell me. Let's go. Hiding spot right here.
Medkit.
That scared
Where?
me, bro. That scared me. Over here. The end.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Come here.
I'm treating this like Bully's Basics, where she can hear everything we do. Except run. Hey man. What's that saying?
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is.
Well, I checked there, but it was only like a closet thing.
Yes, it was.
Oh, nice.
And a key.
Nice. Nurse room key. That's probably on the second floor.
Be careful.
Wait, whoa, so
Where's she at?
I don't know.
That's fucking scary. Why do you... Wait,
Oh,
what,
she's coming, bro. She's
Wait.
coming, bro. She's coming, bro.
why do you crouch so weirdly?
I don't know.
Wait.
My heartbeat.
Hold on. Turn on your flashlight and look at me crouch.
My heart being sound. What are you, bro? Stop backing up on me, chill. Bro,
Okay,
dude,
okay, let me see.
calm down. The my heart being sound.
And I do not see her. Nice. We gotta find the nurse.
Yellow.
Damn, we're chill.
Oh, I think she probably went upstairs. Oh,
Oh, I think this is it. Let's go.
yeah!
Let's complete.
Right here, right here, right here. Med kit and a journal. Oh,
Oh, I think it's. Bro, what do you leave me out?
get in!
I'm good. I'm good.
Bro, then what? Okay. She's not coming in the room, bro. She ain't that smart. She ain't the thinker.
She's not the.
Where you? Man, where you at? Oh, you're right there.
She's a.
It'd be mad funny if I opened the door right now and she heard it.
She's the biggest bird. Another Medi Betty there.
I'm maxed out. I think you can only hold like 2.
2?
Yeah, I didn't let me.
Nah, only 1.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, hell no.
Oh,
Can you see her?
It's another one. Wait. Chill
That door. That door.
for a bit. Yeah, this door for the outside. Let's chill in here for a little bit.
I don't see any. Wait, no, there's another door here. Hold up. I guess keep watching there. I'm gonna look if there's a journal here.
Oh, she's
Which-
she's second floor. Second floor.
Second floor?
Yeah, we can
Should we go?
Where?
Like, find more pages. We have 3 more left. We have 3 more enter keys to get.
Sure. gotta
We
find-
never went in that room right there.
I think
The
we-
pool
I
rooms.
think we need a key here.
God dang it.
But
Find
yeah,
the pool key.
I don't know where that is.
Oh, she's probably like right up there. Oh, wait.
Wait, chill. I think she's.
I think she's on this floor.
Yeah. Wait, I don't see her.
I'm trying to find the pool key. I can't really
I don't know where.
locate it
I
anywhere.
thought we looked everywhere. I guess second floor we didn't look that good.
There's probably something there.
Wait, chill.
Where do you usually find it?
Really close. Mad close. Yeah, it's random. Bro, I found a key. What are you talking about? I know you missed something.
Oh my god, bro.
Wait, where's she right now?
She's first floor, I'm pretty sure.
That's bad. Cause we need to go down there. Oh, do I go downstairs through cafeteria stairwell or
I think she's right there.
cafeteria stairwell or which one?
I'm pretty sure cafeteria stairwell. I'm trying to look. Are you walking?
Yes.
Hold up, stop walking.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I don't know, man. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know.
Am I to slide the queen? Hold on.
I can distract.
No, I'm good. Don't worry. I have a good looping spot right here. I have a good Fruit Loop spot right here.
Fruit Loops one.
Yeah, it's a table, so you can go. You can like loop.
Let me know when you're in the hallway of the first floor, cause I could meet you up right there.
Where's she at right now?
I have no clue.
I might just wing it.
Wait, what was that?
That's a door. I opened it.
Oh, the pool room?
Nope. Super
Bro,
broken door.
open.
I'm going downstairs.
I just opened the door.
Okay, I'm first floor.
Hey, you are.
Okay, we need to go.
We gotta go to the pool room now. Pool rooms.
I think she's upstairs. Is she?
Wait,
Go
hold
back,
on.
go back. Come on, slide the queen.
What?
I think she's on Toast Rare.
Yeah, I was right here and she didn't get me. And I was so scared. Oh, crap. Oh, bro, stop walking.
What's his hiding spot?
She needs to chill. She's right here.
What?
Oh, that's
Bro, she can't see this.
She's coming in here. She's coming in
No,
here.
she's not. No, she's not. I might be wrong.
Oh no!
I apologize. I apologize for the inconvenience.
Oh my god. Dude.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I had to deal with the first time.
Did you see that? No way.
She coming back in?
No way. Ain't no way.
Chill, bro. No one is here. I told you she would come in. Go, goofy.
I've been crouching for so much time.
I'm gonna check. She's not in this room. She's probably upstairs.
Let's go. Let's go. Autobots roll out. Bro. Are you sure?
What? No.
Sounds like she's right here, bro.
She's actually over here. She's upstairs, probably.
I
Wait.
check.
Wait.
I might have to do a slide the queen tag. Wait, chill.
Oh, wait.
Shit. I think now she's going upstairs. I think I'm wrong.
I don't see her.
I'm wrong.
Wait, I think she's right there. She's right there.
Oh my
Yeah, we-
god. Oh hell no,
Oh.
man. What the fuck?
That's bad though. She's going where we need to go. I think.
The pool thing.
Yeah. Is pool rooms left or right?
I'm not sure, bro. I only saw it once.
I'm running. Wing it.
Go.
Split up. Wait, do we split up? Oh my god, this sucks.
I split up.
This sucks, bro. Never mind, there's extra rooms here.
I found. What the hell?
This big. These are big as hell, bro. Oh, there's toilets you can hide in now. Hooray.
Oh, I found the pool.
Pool rooms.
I found the actual pool.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
We need one more. I found a pool too.
Hey, there we go.
Dude, this is a really good blue.
She's probably coming in here, so we're probably gonna have to outmaneuver the queen.
It's probably be a pretty good spot for you to bait the queen.
Yeah. Because it's a whole loopy. Oh, bro, why in here, bro?
Chill. Don't work,
She's
don't
coming in here, bro.
Don't work.
She's coming in here.
Don't work.
She's in here. What do you mean?
Don't work. Trust. We'll slide the queen and it'll work.
Where did you go?
I'm behind
Oh,
you.
wait, are you inside? What the?
Yes. Chill, bro. Don't move.
Oh, okay, I see her. She's doing a whole loop around the pool.
Oh, I see her too.
Oh,
Is that an exit?
wait. Okay,
No,
she coming over here?
Wait, please leave. She left. Okay.
Oh, yeah, she left.
Chill. Don't make a whole lot of noise. She left. That's so loud.
Jesus.
Oh, there's a second floor, bro.
Yeah, that's probably where the last one is at. Wait a minute. I didn't go on that high chair thing. You think there's probably a notebook in there?
No,
You sure?
I sincerely don't think so. Yep.
Okay, nothing in there.
Can you chill with the pool? That's sad.
I haven't. What the hell?
Oh,
No, I haven't been
upstairs,
to the middle.
upstairs, sorry.
Huh?
Upstairs.
Oh,
Maybe.
alright, nice.
Wait, she's up here? Wait,
I think she is, bro.
I'll check. Nah, there's no other way for you to get up here.
Alright, cool.
We need,
Is there anything over? Oh, there's just some more stairs. Yeah, there's nothing here.
over here. I'm ready for you. Take that.
Let's
Bro,
go.
there's a notebook. Uh-oh. Get
Hold
ready.
up, chill.
Okay, get ready.
What do you mean, get ready? Oh, crap.
Wait.
I think she's right there.
She's coming upstairs. Wait, chill. Chill.
Yeah, go.
Wait. She didn't see? She can't see? She's blind?
Go!
She see you?
Go, bro.
Slide the queen.
Slide the queen.
Where do you go? Do you just loop around the queen?
I'm a loop. Oh my god. Oh my
Are you
god.
sure we can loop around the queen?
He's catching up, bro.
Are you sure we can loop?
Oh, we're actually out running her.
Oh, we did.
I can run the same way backwards
I'm gonna hide,
and
I'm gonna hide.
diagonal.
I'm gonna hide.
I'm going the other way.
Okay. You can't hide in the toilets, bro. I think I'm dead.
Oh, I think I'm dead. Hold up. God damn. Oh,
Yeah, she did.
she might get me. She's literally right in front. Bro, she's blind, bro.
What'd I say?
She's actually blind. Oh, wait. Oh.
Bro. Hey, man, don't say
Oh,
mean,
she's downstairs, bro.
don't say mean things. I might be dead.
Oh, no. My fault, Alex.
Please don't see me. 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 Please. Hooray.
I don't know how I'm gonna bait the queen on this one, bro.
Bro, where's the thing at? Where's the glass notebook at?
I don't know.
I think we gotta take a deeper look into in these rooms, the lockers.
The lockers, yeah,
I think we
probably.
missed something here.
Is she right here? Do you know where she went?
She went through my exit. Please don't be here.
So she left the room.
Yeah. Correct.
It's because I'm on the stairwell.
Where are you right now?
I'm about to come out the pool rooms. Suggest you stay away from the entrance.
I got you. I'm really close to it. I mean,
Yeah, I'm like about to. Yeah, I'm right here.
okay, I'm in cafeteria, by the way. I'm going up the stairwell. It's fine. Are you still getting chased?
Probably. I hope not, but I'm pretty sure I am getting chased still.
I don't see
I'm
her.
going up the stairwell, and I think I'm good.
I don't see her. Did we not?
Did you see anything?
I'm just looking. I see check.
Wait, what was that?
Loud ass footsteps.
Yeah. Oh, I found a flashlight. No, microphone. Oh, I'm stupid.
Really good looping spot right here.
Yeah, it's actually really good. There's also a room back there. I don't think that. Wait,
I don't see anything.
I think she's still in the pool rooms.
Is she?
Probably. All right, so we know there's nothing in those rooms.
I swear to God, I've checked every single room.
Do you think you've checked every single one?
Yeah, I checked a lot of the first floor.
Maybe there's something we still have to find to get the last one.
I mean, I think
But we got the pool rooms, and it was we pretty much got everything.
Okay, we had a Medi Betty. Can you jump up? Like, yeah, I got so scared. I think she's in pool rooms. Yeah, I think she's coming out of pool rooms. Yep, she is.
Yeah, I see that.
Spotted
Oh. Dude, I don't know where this notebook could be.
her. If you can, check where we started. The very beginning.
Very beginning?
Yeah, check.
Yeah, I'm closer. I'm close. I could do that.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
she's
wait.
still upstairs.
Oh, I'm at the room with the hole.
What? Which one? What do you
The
mean?
one with the hole, and we questioned what it was.
The hole?
Yeah, the one I said, oh, look. Please do not come in here. Please do not.
What are you talking about?
The one where the actual, like, cooking room of the cafeteria
yeah.
lady.
Okay, yeah.
Or the lunch lady.
Yeah.
Nothing's in here except, like, knives and stuff.
She,
Maybe we're supposed to... I don't know what that is.
she's in my room again.
I really don't...
She hit me, okay, somehow. Through a whiteboard.
Sniped you or what?
Yeah. I was hiding behind a whiteboard.
Are you still able to heal?
Yeah. Oh, shit. I can't open this door, though.
You're able to... You have a medkit though, right?
I do, yeah.
Okay.
It's sad. I got hit through a whiteboard.
A whiteboard?
Yeah. Pretty
What room floor were you in?
Second. She's downstairs.
I am behind her.
I see
Please...
you.
Oh.
She see you? Keep her.
You gonna let me? No, I'm not keeping her, bro. Hold up.
Where's she at right now?
I
Oh,
don't know.
Oh, she's going towards me. It's an L.
Wait, where are you at?
Music room. I see her.
You! Oh, she's on me now.
Actually? Where you
Yeah.
at?
It's because I was also on the second floor.
Hey, what's
And
good?
she saw me.
I see her. You're just going back? Okay.
To you or to me?
To me.
I'm on the first floor, so I'm trying to find out, like, if there's anything I can find for the journal.
Mhm.
But I don't see nothing.
She's first floor right now. She's first floor.
Oh.
She's going towards pool.
Oh, that's
and,
bad. That's bad.
and, she's in the hallway. She took the left. Yep.
What the hell?
Good.
She's chasing me, but I can probably lose her. Probably, yeah. I found it! Get wrecked!
I'm out.
It was in the pool room. Get to the exit.
I'm dead. Wait.
You're dead? Where are you at?
It's mad fast, like mad fast.
Really fast?
Yeah. You can out of the
Oh no. Wait, I see your flashlight, I think.
No, okay, no, wait, okay. I'm
Can you crawl to the pool room? I can heal you.
pool room? You sure?
Yeah, crawl to the pool room if you can, yeah.
You can crawl to the entrance. Come on.
We're here, okay, no, never mind, I see you.
Quickly, please.
Should be like right there. Oh, I just closed that door. Hold up.
Oh, we left. Okay.
Easy. I escaped.
60.
Oh, that was only one map.
Start.
Monsters Inc. University. Let's go.
Please. Are you playing as a bald kid?
Oh no, I was supposed to change it.
And you.
I was going to.
Okay.
I was. No, I'm playing as the same dude as before.
Okay.
Alright. Steal 10 pages of full of test answers for your school fund.
Wait.
Wait.
This looks big as hell.
Oh, and I'm gonna scour everything in this area,
Yeah, same. I found one.
so I don't have to revisit this. You found out nice.
It's an upstairs in the starting area. What the hell?
Bad thing is that I don't know any maneuvers yet for this room, but pretty sure we'll find out.
You can tell by just by.
Oh, medkit, nice. Let's go.
Stairwell right here, so it's really good looping already.
Okay, I don't think there's one in here.
I'm just seeing anything over here. Oh, I found a key. Never mind. I'm wrong. That's
Nice.
area. Okay.
Oh, this is actually pretty massive. Hold up.
Is that you? I gotta see. Okay. Let's continue searching. I think right now we'll be fine because.
Holy crap, this is actually huge.
Right now we'll be fine.
And you're finding a lot.
She can't really catch us right now. Like we can do pretty well.
She's probably getting like. Oh, we need the cafeteria key.
How about auditorium? Auditorium is probably down.
That's probably where we get the next one.
Wait, did we check all these tables right here?
Bro. I did, yeah. Oh. Wait, I think I hear. Oh, never mind, it's you.
We missed. Oh, my tab is fucking massive. Okay. I found a key.
Good. Oh, nice. Oh, cafeteria key, that's what we needed.
And a very, very.
Nice.
So do we check auditorium? Or actually, never mind. I don't even know where I don't even know where it is.
Let's go for. Oh, we need to check the whole rest of the other area.
Let's check over here again. To the other room. That I didn't check.
And then we'll go in there, because I think that's what the cafeteria thing is. Oh, auditorium key, let's go!
Damn.
Oh my god, this is massive, holy crap.
Decent looping spot, I guess.
Um,
Yeah,
There's probably something up. I hate if there's gonna be like something really small up here that we need.
Cheers.
She's probably gonna really hate going through chairs. I just hate how I can't jump over them, but
That's okay. That is sad. Dude, I hear there's a jumping option, but like there's nothing to jump.
yeah. So it's just like it's just there. Oh, what the? I found a key. Library key, nice. All right, so that tells me there's probably some stuff on this table. Book, nice. I'm gonna check this area. What is this key for? Auditorium key. Hey, brother. Auditorium key in need, please.
What's the next?
Yeah. Thank you, good sir.
What's the? So we started, right?
I think there's just the other side of it.
Nothing.
Nothing over here.
Nothing.
Damn, 2 more doors.
Library?
Oh, library. Nice. Oh,
Wait.
I hear you, bro. I hear you, bro.
We can loop it.
There's a staircase that we can go up to. Hold up.
Like, it's so big.
Another key. Server room.
Why is it-
Oh, she's up there. She's up there.
Oh, damn. This map's so big.
I like it. It's really nice.
Here, just shoot these shots. It's here? It's actually-
I think is she following you?
Almost says that I baited the queen and she took it.
Nice, nice.
It's might be bad, but just go upstairs with me. Might be bad because
Alright.
if we stay I might be screwed, I'll be honest. Never.
Bro, you were finding all of them. Holy crap.
So
I found another med kit. Oh, I can't even get another one.
she's not on me anymore.
Or at least I know it's there.
Yeah, she
Oh,
lost it.
I found another notebook. Wait, is she on? What the hell?
She's downstairs in the library.
Oh no, she's following me.
I think she's on me.
No, bro, she saw me.
She's on me. I'm upstairs. Yep, she's on me.
You sure?
Yep. I need library key. Yeah.
I have the library key. Where you at?
Upstairs. Don't worry. No, she's on me though.
You sure? I can go up there?
Nope. Don't go up here. Be careful. Yep, she sees me. Is that you?
Oh my god, dude, there's so many more doors.
She's on me though. Ooh. Catch me though. I'm too fast.
Oh no, I need the cafeteria key.
Wait. Okay. I'm gonna go in there.
I'm at the original library room.
Wait, library. What?
I'm opening every door. Holy moly, there's a lot.
Come on, get the cafeteria. It was good.
Alright, I'm gonna continue to check all of the oh, there you
Wait a minute, cafeteria.
are. Over here.
Where?
And make sure to go in those rooms, or we need to go back in there, cause I didn't check them.
Just a lot.
Dude, it's too. Oh, one right here. Let's go. It's maybe a death trap. Holy moly.
I think it is.
Oh no.
Hide.
Um,
What?
I see her. She's outside of the cafeteria room.
Is she in this little hallway room?
She's in the cafeteria. Period. And she just left.
Where you at? Oh,
She was out there, bro.
she left?
Yeah.
Okie dokie.
She just went through the freaking door without a key. Nice. That might have you get the key. There might be something here. Hold up. Let's go. Oh, yo, she's up there. I think.
Downstairs. She's downstairs.
Okay.
I'm wrong. I was wrong.
Oh, hey, we could loop. I think we could loop right here.
Hey, we could, yeah. It's very easy.
It's a big air room.
Remember to cut corners. We can. She should probably go down by the way. Wait, I think she lost.
She ain't chasing us.
Hooray.
This is made out of carpet, so it sounds a lot quieter. But I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Probably doesn't, but
Yeah, probably does not. Okay. There's so many tables here, man. Can
I know. But one of them could probably have a key.
Go back.
Oh, I hear her. I hear her.
She go back. Nah, she's on me. That's fine.
I'm going down here, bro.
I'll take it there too.
Just go. We can do a huge loop here anyways, it don't matter. There was still that one part of the room that we didn't look at.
She's on me, so I don't know.
Oh Jesus Christ, she's right there.
Nice. PM. That's fine. It's a really good spot. Easy.
I don't see her.
I'm open.
Oh my. She's on me now. Nice.
I open this door's over here. What's up?
Yeah, she's on me.
Okay, yeah, she's on. It's hiding. Check it down here.
Please leave me alone. Oh my god. Bro.
What the? Where right now?
Top floor library. Like the one that we were just at. Alright.
Yeah, I'm checking downstairs.
Okay.
Where should I go?
She's actually kind of slow. I think she's gonna get.
I'm gonna go back to auditorium.
I'm going back to the main cafeteria. I don't know what this is. It's the top floor. I just found out I could look at the keys on the right side of my screen and it tells me which one I have. Oh no, I think I screwed myself.
The new area?
The server thing?
Nope.
Oh, where are you at?
Auditorium. Shit, I'm dead actually.
Auditorium?
Yeah, auditorium all the way down to the left.
Oh crap. She's on me.
Where's she at right now?
Oh, she's gonna be chasing me. I'm going in the auditorium.
That's fine.
Alright. All the way to the left?
Yeah.
Where you at? What the
Oh,
hell?
I found a circle room key over here. Let me show you. All the way down over here.
Alright, she, just know she might get here.
Right here. Thank you.
Please let there be something in here. Yep, one right here.
Maybe one more. If we find the last one, we'll probably circle core. Thank you.
She's going, run!
That's probably just taken out already.
Oh my god! Go, 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 go!
That was a mistake.
Go, 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 go!
I give you apologies.
Go.
Because now she's fast as well.
Dude.
Closing doors.
Oh my god, I don't know where to go. Over here?
Closing doors. Alright, Lucas needs sponsor not gonna help us now.
Oh, yeah, she's kind of far behind.
Okay,
Please,
and
please,
we
please.
make this. Take a, you make this. Right here, right here.
I'm going over here, bro. Freak that, go, go, go.
Take left, right here, leave right here.
Alright, alright, and then up the stairs?
Yeah,
No?
we're out, right here.
Let's go!
We're out.
Easy. Why did this one take us so much longer? Yet it was the biggest room.
If you got lucky.
11 minutes, bro. 12.
I think we got lucky.